Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll start it up here. Put the Holley fuel injection in. Because of the ignition switch, we've got a button to start it. You can hear the radio. Heater fan works. There's a blinker, you can see to the left. Blinker to the right. Just been out, drove there. It runs around 200, I think, is what the temperature is. 209. You can see. Horn does not work. Fuel gauge does work. Got good sounding dual exhaust on it. Electric fuel pump in the tank. 351, probably got a couple hundred miles on it. There's your power brakes, serpentine belt system with power steering. There's your Holley cooling fan on it. They're the best cooling fans out there, aluminum radiator. Just a really cool truck. Exhaust coming off the back. So if you're looking for a pretty cool custom Bronco, really doesn't need anything. We'll just keep putting some miles on it to make sure it's ready to go. 605-695-7391.